I have to replace the oil pan on this thing because I punched a hole into it with my steering center link. Don't ask me. Just stupid joke. You know, there's this thing about doing things correct the first time that it takes you, it takes you a little while to learn that rule, There's the easy way and there's the hard way. Usually the hard way is the right way. It leads to less repeat of procedures. Alright, let's see what we got the bolts here. Of course, they're half-inch bolts. It's not, it's smaller, so it's between 9/16 and 7/16. What? What in God's name? No, it is not the right size. Oh my gosh. All the time. What in the hell? 13 millimeter. 0 cents. But hey. Whatever. Ford. Okay, so got all those bolts loosened up off there. One big old oh, here's some sludge in the bottom of that. Okay. So, got the bottom of the oil pan off. God damn it, now that I think about this. Here's the one thing I didn't think about. Somebody else did. They're probably waiting for me to see. So, this is a front or a back sump. And I think I need to switch it over to a front sump, obviously. Let's see if I can take that off real quick here. We need oil pan gasket, which I can't believe this piece of trash didn't come with one. I need front sump. And hopefully those are cheap. Spray those a little bit. I wouldn't mind putting long tube headers on this, but I don't know if I can find something nice for these that I want. Or at least, at very least, just get these bolts off so I can take that old exhaust off and then get it down to. That's where I'm at for right now. Didn't get really terribly far today, but I learned that I need some more stuff. That's life. Oh, then I ordered that suspension piece that I needed, the idler arm, and then I ordered a new lock cylinder for the trunk. The mechanism that locks it is fine. And then I ordered the alternator, so a new alternator. The other one was shot because I fucked it up. That's what it is. But anyway, it's Roger Girl's garage. I wouldn't mind building my own garage, this is kind of like borrowed space from, I guess, it's just borrowed space. Usually the Hummer goes here. Hummer's in the shop right now. So it's a transmission drivetrain issue that happened almost 3 months ago now. That's the weird thing about shops. They say they can work on something within a week or two. It's like 3 months down the line, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to give people that own shops a bad name, but like, don't tell somebody something if you're not willing to live up to it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I have a GoFundMe at the bottom, or Patreon. Yeah, GoFundMe. Just if you want to go donate to my garage building situation, that'd be kind of cool to get my own garage. Not get a lift.
All right, so that thing needs this filler neck on it, and or not filler neck, but sump neck thing. And I was actually able to get one from AutoZone. It was like, ordered it last night at like 8 o'clock. It was here at like noon. So, go down AutoZone. See, it is, it's just easier to stay in bed. But you can't get nothing done while you're in bed. Okay, so I'm back. I have a cork gasket, which cost half what the piece of trash did. And I got some ultra black gasket maker, oil resistant. So, what we need to do now is not use these rubber things because those aren't going to hold up, but we can use these cork ones. So, grab, you know what, let's just pull the engine out here. There we go. Smack it into the fender, you know. Okay, well, at least we got some room now, so that's good. I am recording. Okay, so yeah, the whole red tacky crap, that was a terrible idea. Terrible. It really just kind of led to that latex seal kind of squirting out, which this would too, I feel. Probably not as bad because it's like hardened rubber, but you know, I'm not even gonna F around with that because I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna end up putting it on, I'm gonna fight with it, and then I'm just gonna end up RTVing the whole damn thing. Yeah. So, we have about 20 minutes to do this. 20 minutes. So I gotta wipe this crap off too. So I was thinking I was being like super smart, being like, hey, you know, let's use some of this red tacky stuff to make it stick. But ultimately, it just ended up making it not stick. So I gotta clean this up. It had like, obviously it's a lubricant, you know, so it just, I just felt like it would seat in there correctly. Or just seat on top of this ridge line here that's there, but it just didn't. And you know what? That's fine. That's fine. You live and you learn, right? Wipe that off. And we're gonna grab this. I don't know, I'd be really hesitant to put on those rubber ones. Just saying, like, those rubber ones seem stiffer, but at the same time, like, I'm just gonna run into the same problem. Okay, so that's like that. Oh, there isn't a sticky side to this? Oh, that's fucking stupid. That is extremely stupid. Okay, well, that's really stupid. I don't like that. But, I think what a lot of people do is they take this and they're like, okay, let's put a dab here. Always start from the back end, people. You know? You don't need to, oh shit, got some of that. Oh, that, okay. We're just gonna put some right there so it stays in place. Some right here. What, do they only fill these like half full? God damn. Shrinkflation. Am I right or am I right? Cool. Okay, that's all good. Let's check these rubber ones out. Maybe I'm wrong. So, I just don't think this, because this is flat, but then the pan has a ridge here, and like it would either have to sit outside of it or inside of it, and it's not going to do either. If it were this way, that might be perfect, but it's not. So, you know, when in doubt, RTV it out. Somebody at home is probably like, no, don't do that. It's like, dude, like those, I'm sorry. Those just do not stay in place. I won't goof up a bunch of here on the corners. Even the guy at the parts store was like, yep, those aren't going to work. It's like, dude, why are you selling this trash to me? If I bring it back, you know, over it. I'm sure somebody out there's like, that's just going to start leaking after 2 months. It's like, well, damned if I do and damned if I don't, I guess. So, you know, that's just life. Whew. Anyway, God, I'm just kind of in the midst of crap here. So I got a new key tumbler for this thing that's defunct, and I'm going to try and replace that real quick here. Let's just leave this there, so when I close it, it probably breaks the windshield. Right, there's one. All right, so let's reach in here. Ooh. Okay, so there's one way in this thing. Oh! Ow! Haha! Well, son of a bitch. Who would have thought that? Okay, let me give you a little tour. Let me give you a brief tour on the insanity of this. So this here is held on there by you know, that screw, and lo and behold, a pop rivet. Like, who does that? Some sort of freaking masochist. Oh, I tell you. We're gonna escalate the situation to a stage 1 hammer level. To free the pop rivet. There's just no damn way. There's no, well, let's see. Unless that pop rivet's intentional, and this is supposed to be a swing action, which I don't believe. Somebody out there probably knows. Ow. Hit myself in the hand with a hammer. Oh. Okay, there we go. And then you know, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Roger. Who do you gotta know? Come on. There we go. Hello. Crusty. Yeah, I don't think that was going to turn even if I had the key. Well, the one I have looks nicer than that. So, let's grab this guy here. Oh, it's like literally the same, similar tumbler. Okay. Let's see if we can jack this up. So I have to order another one. Okay. Oh, wow, that's really long. This is the part that goes into here. Honestly, I don't think that one needs to be that long. And I have one right here that is OEM. So we'll just use that. Let's just do the length of these tumblers. Well, they're exactly the same length. That's cool. Does it go like that? Of course, there's no instructions. And that's fine. I think, okay, so I have this device here, which this inserts in here, and that turns. So this is like the key, and then that turns, and that comes down. I hope this isn't broken. I was counting on this working. Ah, yes. So, turn the key. Perfecto. And you turn the key to lock it. So that works, and I think that this is made to slip through here, so I think that this sort of L-shaped part goes on this other side. And yep, I am correct. So that goes like that. Glad I kept those parts. And oh, this thing stays there. Okay, so this thing pulls out. And then it clips into place. So we put that in there. And that goes like that. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's how I remember it looking. So that just needs to press down into there like this. Dents up. Hey, this thing can't look brand new. I have to put some dents in it, right? For Christ's sake. Oh. Oh! You know what? It's a good thing I didn't get this locked in yet. Because I do need this in here. Oh, that sits there. Okay, so there's a couple bolts on the back side of this. Yeah. There they are. 3 of those guys. Okay. Well, let's find my bolts for that. Well, we might be back here. Probably not. Oh, no, there they are. Yeah, right where I left them. And I was thinking ahead with my head. Oh, there we are. Okay. Okay. All right. So maybe a little peek in here. What's going on? So you can see that there's 3 of them bolts, and then if you look in there. I don't know if you can see in there. Yeah, you can see the keyhole coming through there, and then it just connects with that locking mechanism. So yeah, and you can see where that key passes through. Okay, so this one. Yep, just like that.
I knew that.
I should have stopped and talked to
No,
him?
no, he should have. I said he should have stopped and talked.
Oh.
He's like, well, what am I supposed to-" I'm like, you don't even understand. There's so many people that stop by our house.
Yeah,
And then he said that there was like some scrap metal outside of the house or something one time. And he,
there
like,
was.
Yeah.
Wait, how old is he? Okay, and he stopped by about the scrap metal?
A long time ago. Or like last year. It wasn't recently.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, maybe last year there was, but...
You would not forget him.
Oh. Because there was the other guy that stopped by for scrap metal. And that beat on the door. Or wait, no, that was a different guy. But I don't think that was TJ.
Wasn't that old guy who wanted to sell you those things?
Yeah, the fenders? No, that was a different, there was a different guy.
See, that's what I'm saying. I told him, I'm like, see, that's what, like, so many people stop by because of all his damn antics that he does.
Antics?
Look at all these boxes that you don't even open.
What do you mean boxes?
There, look at that box up there. That's never open.
Yeah, because I have to put, those are parts for this vehicle.
I guarantee you that they're never going to be open.
I haven't gotten to them yet.
You want to know what's funny?
What is funny?
Pool safe, you know? It's Chet. The British dude that does IT or whatever.
Yeah, I didn't know there was a British dude that did IT.
Yeah, it's the pool safe.
Oh.
Pool safe. He said, I'm always like, hi, Bobby. And then he's always like, hello, you know? And he said my name, and I've never heard a British person say Leah.
How was it?
I don't know, but I was so like,
It was like, Leia. Was it like that?
hello, Leah.
Hello, Leia.
Hello, Leah. Like,
That's funny.
I was just like, whoa. Cool.
Yeah. I like it when, like, I enjoy British accent.
I do too, it's cool. And that's like one time I caught him on camera talking. Because that we were driving in the car to go to the airport or whatever.
Yeah.
And he was driving, so I was like behind him, and then he was telling a story, and I got it on video. And I sent it to Haley, and I wanted to say, oh my god, I saw Luke Hemming
Huh.
in the airport.
That'd be really funny. But, yeah, and then just, yeah, I see. Oh.
But anyway, so I was like, yeah, Jeremy lives up there, and I was like, oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. Like,
Jeremy, the IT guy.
no, Jeremy, manager.
Oh.
One of our.
Oh. Huh.
I think he lives like in the more normal house on the other side of my way, you know?
Yeah.
So not like mine way.
Yeah. So not mine way. So, oh yeah, on the other side, this is
Yeah, like
slow down for slow children.
Slow children live there, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if his children are the slow children.
I don't know. Hey, check this out. Check this out.
I don't want to get up.
Oh. So, one second. Okay, so I slam this down. No. What's going on with yours?
And then TJ was telling me something about an oil change, about how in London you have to know how to change your oil in order to get a driver's license.
Oh. Probably.
He tells me these things, and I'm like, what? What?
Okay, why isn't this working now?
You didn't do it right.
Well,
Well,
I put it on there right.
no, you didn't, because if you did, it would close.
Okay. You're probably right about that, but
Really are getting our haircut. Yeah. Nail broken.
okay.
Okay.
Why?
What?
Dude, what? So, okay. Then it has to be out of alignment or something. Because this presses up, and that should be fine. Okay. There we go. Maybe that'll be the trick. Okay. Oh, pretty! Look at that! I got it!
Yeah.
I got it. Alright, and that's a wrap. Please click like and subscribe. And click the notification bell if you want up to the second notifications for when I go live. I'm probably not going to use this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great
Stream Ariana Grande, Eternal Sunshine for clear skin.
have a great day.